Hello, my name is Jem, and I'm gonna show you how to make a paper bead out of your junk mails. First, I have this piece of Macy's rewards card I got from the mail, where they always send me every month, and I have this card. So instead of throwing it away in trash from now on, I'm going to collect this and make it into a paper bead. And also I have a Toyota flyer that I got from the mail, so I cut it into pieces like this. The same thing with this Macy's mail, I cut it into this shape. I have a pattern that Janice May gave me. This is the pattern. If you want to create a cone or like a barrel, you have to use this pattern. So I cut all my paper like this shape, and then after cutting, all you need to do is to roll it in a tool. They use a tool, but in my case, I wanted to create a bead like this. See, this is the finished product. So since I wanted to have a bead like this, and this rope, a small rope, it has to we have to use this chopsticks, so the hole will be bigger. So the first step for you to do is to cut your paper, and then the tip is I got from Janice May is to cut both ends. Where you start rolling, put it like this and roll it up to the end. Okay? The reason why I decided to make this video, because a lot of my friends and my sister asked me, teach me how to do it. Okay, so here it is, my dear friends and my dear relatives anywhere around the world. Just follow this step. This very simple. Cut the paper and then roll it. It's either you use a tool or toothpick. That at the beginning, 3 days ago, I used a toothpick and the hole is small. So I want to achieve something, and my goal is to create a bead accessory like this. So I use this chopstick. See, the paper that we cut from this shape, it now becomes this one. Okay, so this is the Toyota flyer that I got from the mail. Now you have to pull this, pull it like this, and put it in your sauce, in the container. So after few minutes, I came up with all these beads. See, this is a barrel, and this is, I don't know what you call it. This is my first video, and I was just trying to see how I can come up with something to show you what I'm doing. So after rolling those papers, the next step is for you to brush it with a glue. So I have a glue. I used the glue that was given to me by Janice. It's this kind of glue. It's like this one. Okay, you can use any kind of glue as long as it will stick. So you brush it with a glue. Make sure that you make sure that it was not stick on the on this piece, so you can take it out. And then after putting the glue, you dry it for 15 to 30 minutes, and do the same thing for all the rest of your beads. Okay, so I used the makeup brush. This is my makeup brush. So from now on, I'm not going to use this. I'm not going to put on makeup, because I decided to use all my brushes for this project. Okay, so just keep on, just go on with putting glue for each of your beads. So it's very easy. Then the next step, after putting a glue on each bead, let it dry for, again, it's 15 to 30 minutes, and after that the next step is for you to apply a glaze so that your bead will be shiny. And I use a glaze that was given to me by Janice May. This is a special kind of glaze that will make your bead look shiny, or it will really make it shine. You do it twice or 3 times until you achieve the shine that you want for your bead. That's all for now, and I'll continue to make my bead and share with you how to do a certain kind of accessory like this one. This can be for men, and you can change it into a different design. And if you want to make an earring, I can make this also, as the small piece can be an earring. Or there's another one, if it's you want a bigger earring, you design it. Later on I'll show you how. Thank you for watching.